Hello guys, let's say you have this triangle right here in which three angles are given to you, but they're given in as expressions. Like the first angle here is 2x, second angle 5x plus 1 degrees, third angle x plus 35 degrees. Okay, so the question here is for you to find x and all three angles. Okay, now for you to find all three angles, obviously you need x. Okay, the one thing you need to know right here, in order for you again to solve this, you need to make sure you form an equation. How do you form an equation right here? Okay, well, if you know one thing about triangles, is that in this case here, the sum of all the angles in a triangle like this right here will be 180. So that means if you add the first angle to the second angle, okay, to the third angle, the answer will be 180. Okay, so 180 degrees. This is actually an equation because you know the first angle, the one on top here is 2x, okay, plus the second one, which is 5x plus 1, plus the third one, which is x plus 35. And this sum, the sum right here, is 180, okay? Now here we can solve for x, right? So to solve for x here, combine like terms. 2x plus 5x is 7x plus x. That's 8x. Then you have the constants here, which are 1 and 35. So 1 plus 35 is 36, okay, equals to 180 degrees, okay? Now, again, all you gotta do is solving for x. Now, I'll subtract 36 from both sides, right? 36 on both sides, then I'll get 8x. 36 here is canceled out. Now, this right here is 180 minus 36. That's 144, right? Okay, so it's 144 because you know 36 plus 144 is 180. Then you divide both sides here by 8 to get x by itself. Dividing both sides by 8, you get x. X equals to let's see, 18 right here, right? So x is 18. Now you know you can always use your calculator to get the value of x in this case here. Okay, so x is 18. Now after you get x, remember what you need to get. Also, we need the first angle here. So I'll say first angle. First angle will then be 2 times x. So that's 2 times 18 because you just found 18. So the first angle is 36 because 2 times 18 is 36 degrees. This is the first one. Now, second angle. The second angle now is, so I'm going here, 5 times 18 plus 1. Okay, so 5 times 18 is, what is it, 90? And 90 plus 1 is 91, okay? So 91 degrees, the first one 36 degrees, okay? Then next, third angle. The third angle, in this case would be, what is it, x, so 18 right here. 18, I'm replacing x by its value, plus 35. 18 plus 35, which is what? 18 plus 35 is 53, right? So 53 degrees. Now, when you add all of them, you will get 180. If you add 36 to 91 to 53, because the sum of all the angles right here will give you 180. Now, it was as you can see, I started with this triangle. I have all the angles in terms of x. Then I needed to solve to find x and all the three angles. Now it's very easy for me to find the angles once I know what the value of x is. Well, to know that, you would need to form an equation. How do you form an equation? Well, we know for a triangle here, the sum of the angles, all three angles will give you 180. Then you know the expressions here. You replace the first, you add the first to the second to the third. The sum would be 180. Then you solve for x, got x. X was 18. Then we could plug that value into the first term here, the first expression here. Replacing x by its value, we got 36 for the first angle. Replacing x by its value in the second angle here, we got 91, then 53, okay? So these are the answers we got when we have an actual triangle, okay? We just solve for x, and we also solve for the three angles right there, all right? Thank you.